Equipped with superior quality LED chip, it delivers 122 LMW, reaching up to 47,000 LM in total. 6500K natural white light provides stable, flicker-free, glare-free, and gentle on the eyes. Ideal for garages, workshops, basements, and other workspaces, where ultra-bright and eye-protecting illumination is essential. Unlike other products, our Hexagon light has a unique redesign in the connector area. Features 2-pin connectors that are deeply embedded. The pins are safely concealed and cannot be accidentally touched during installation. No risk of electric shock. The buckle connectors ensure a tight, seamless fit between tubes, eliminating loose connections and enhancing stability. PC optical panel lampshade, exceptional light transmittance, non-yellowing. Our Honeycomb garage light ensures light distribution across surfaces. The LED grid lighting boasts over 98% light restoration, eliminating shadows in illuminated areas. Perfect for enhancing vehicle stores, exhibition halls, gyms, art salons, gaming rooms, and bars. Hex-LED garage lights are designed for hassle-free assembly and modification. We provide 18 PCs V connectors, 3 extra, 22 PCs Y connectors, 1 extra, 48 PCs LED tube, 2 extra, 1/5 FT power cable with a plug, and 1 shorter hard, wired cable without a plug. You can easily customize the light configuration. Also, you can buy additional sets to assemble a larger Hexagon light, super DIY choice. The lifespan of this LED ceiling garage light exceeds 50